Hello there and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you a super easy recipe for pizza dough. These are the ingredients you're going to need, and with this amount you can make two crusts of 14 inches in diameter. I have more details in the description box below. To start, I'm going to mix 3/4 of the flour and the salt in the bowl of a stand mixer, and I'm gonna give a quick mix. Then I'm gonna add the rest of the flour and the sugar and mix again, and then I'm going to add the yeast on top and lightly mix. This will prevent the yeast touching the salt directly, which may cause it to be inactive. And last, I'm going to add the oil. I am doing 1.5 batches of the recipe, that's why I'm adding 3 tablespoons of oil. And now I'm gonna put this in the stand mixer with the dough hook and gently let it go on low for about 15 to 20 seconds, and then I'm going to add the water, which is at 100 to 110 degrees. It's lukewarm and I'm using instant yeast. I'm gonna let this mix on low for about a minute, and then I'm going to scrape the bowl down just to make sure that all the flour at the bottom is getting incorporated. And then I'm gonna let it go for another 30 seconds to a minute. I'll show you what it should look like. So here you can see that pretty much all the flour has been incorporated. So now I'm going to stop the mixer and scrape everything off the hook, and then I'm going to bring the dough together in a ball, and then I'm going to put some oil on top and let it sit there and rise for about 45 minutes to an hour. It should double in size. I'm going to cover the bowl with a towel, or you can also use plastic wrap. My dough took 45 minutes to double in size and rise, and now I'm going to sprinkle some flour on the counter and turn the dough out so I can divide it and roll it out. I'm going to flatten that gently with my hand and divide the dough in 3 equal pieces. I'm making 1.5 batches like I said before, so that gives me 3 pizzas. And my trick to easily handle the dough is to place it on the silicone mat. I roll it in there so I don't need extra flour. I get the exact size, and it makes it really easy to transfer to the baking sheet. I'm going to preheat the oven to 400 degrees. Now I'm going to shape the dough into a circle, and then with a lightly floured rolling pin, I'm going to start rolling it out. I like to roll it out between 1/4 and 1/2 inch thick, and I'll just keep rolling it out until I get as close to a circle as I can, and then I use a fork to prick some holes. That way when it bakes, it doesn't bubble up. And now the pizza is ready to be assembled with the toppings of your choice. I'm ready to transfer these in the baking sheet. So notice I'll just pick up the baking mat and move it, and then I can finish adding the toppings and then put it in the oven. The reason I make 3 pizzas is because my husband likes certain ingredients in his, and the kids and I like other ingredients in ours. So what I do is I assemble 1 pizza for him for lunch and dinner, and I make 2 pizzas for the kids and I. I save 1 pizza in the fridge to bake at dinner, and I bake the other 2 at lunch. To make ahead, you can just assemble your pizza, freeze it in the baking sheet. Once it's frozen, wrap it in plastic wrap and keep it frozen until the next time you're in the mood for pizza. All you need to do is bake and enjoy. Bake for 20 minutes until the dough and the cheese are golden brown. Then let it rest in the pan for about 5 minutes. Then the pizza is ready to be cut and served. I hope this video shows you how easy it is to make your own pizza. Look at that dough. It's puffy, it's soft, it's so good. And you can always customize your pizza with all your favorite ingredients. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!